How to fix Discord login error Captcha loop. Now, if you're facing a login error on Discord and you're constantly having a loop whenever you're trying to log in with the verification Captcha, you could be trying this on your PC or you could be trying this on your smartphone. Either way, the process to fix them is the same. The first thing is, if you've been trying to log in, do not try from the same tab over and over again. Close the Discord app completely, or on your web browser just close the tab completely and relaunch it again. But before you do that, there are a couple of things. First off, you can try to check your internet connection. If you're on mobile, you can also try to switch to your cellular data to see if that actually helps you solve the problem. If not, what you want to do is, if you're on Android, long press the Discord app icon, then tap on this I button that says App Info, which will take you to the App Info page. From here, you can go to storage and clear the cache files and clear the data of the Discord application. Similarly, if you're on a website, you can simply clear the cache of your browser. Also check if the Discord app is updated to the latest version, and last but not the least, make sure that your information is correct, because sometimes just due to an incorrect information you might not be able to log in. So make sure that is not the case. Enter your correct info and password and log into your account. This way you can fix login error on Discord. Hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.